Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best detailing kit is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your car looking its absolute best. Detailing kits offer a convenient and cost-effective solution for maintaining your vehicle's appearance and protecting its value. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a casual owner, having the right detailing kit can make a world of difference in achieving a showroom-worthy finish from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Tired of using multiple cleaners for your car's interior? This product is designed to clean and protect leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass. With just one product, it simplifies your detailing process. Save time and money with this all-in-one solution. It keeps your interior fresh and clean, without damaging surfaces. You can even use it on navigation and touch screens. Achieve professional-grade results with ease. Just mist it on and wipe it off. The formula helps protect your car's interior from harsh sunlight, preventing cracking and fading. The premium formula wipes clean, leaving no residue behind. It restores the original appearance of the surface without adding extra gloss or shine. You'll love the dry-to-the-touch feel. Chemical Guys is a trusted brand for both beginners and professionals. They offer top-quality car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This cleaner is a true all-in-one solution, simplifying your detailing process. It cleans and protects almost every interior surface, making your life easier. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to clean and protect your entire car interior with a single product, this is the one for you. What people say. It effortlessly tackles dirt, grime, and smudges on surfaces like the dashboard, seats, and door panels. It's easy to use, dries quickly without residue, and leaves my car looking and smelling fantastic. What's nice about this Total Interior Cleaner Protectant, TICP, is the way it goes on. Number 4. CR Guy's Plastic Restorer, Bring Back to Life. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that don't last? This product renews, seals, and protects any interior or exterior surface. It will keep your car looking great for months. Have you experienced streaks after the first rain? This product repels water. It stays looking good for several months. Do you hate greasy products? This product restores and leaves a great finish, but more importantly, it will completely dry to the touch. No more ruining your detailing supplies. CR Guys cares about quality. The products are made with the latest advancements in science. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The CR Guys team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, let them know, and they will make it right. What we like. Tired of trim restorers that fade quickly? This product offers results that last for months, even through rain. It also dries completely, leaving no greasy residue. If you want a trim restorer that provides long-lasting protection and a clean feel, you should consider this. What people say. My tonneau cover looks as good as new, actually slightly better. I also used CR Guys on all the black plastic, mirrors, bumpers, etc. on the exterior of my truck and the results are fantastic. This brought back the shine and luster of all the plastic components of the car. All the trim around the wheel wells, the mirrors and along the bottom of the doors. Car truly looks brand new. Super easy to apply and polish. I used it on some scratched plastic trim on my brand new SUV, and the results were almost immediate. The color came back rich and dark and the scratches disappeared. What I really like is that it doesn't leave behind a greasy or overly shiny finish, just a natural, clean look. Number 3. CR Guys Super Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaners that don't deliver? This product utilizes advanced nanotechnology to lift away dirt and grime effectively. You'll be amazed at how well it works. Stop cluttering your space with multiple cleaning products. This one product simplifies your cleaning routine. It's the ultimate solution for your car's interior. This cleaner works on various surfaces, excluding glass and sensitive screens. It tackles upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, and more. It's the most versatile cleaner available. CR Guys is committed to quality, using the latest scientific advancements. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. You can trust its effectiveness. The CR Guys team prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, they're dedicated to resolving them. They are here to help you. What we like. This cleaner is designed to replace a whole cabinet of cleaning supplies. It works on a wide variety of surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a single product to handle almost any interior cleaning task, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to detail a car. The included microfiber towels are high quality and absorbent. The detailing products effectively clean and protect the car's surfaces. Number 2. Chemical Guys Clean and Shine Car Wash Starter Kit. Tired of a dirty car? This kit is the perfect way to start. It includes everything you need to make your car look brand new. It's easy to use and will get you amazing results. Diablo Wheel Cleaner is safe for all wheels and ready to use. It easily removes brake dust, dirt, and grime. Your wheels will look fantastic after using this product. Citrus Wash and Gloss is a concentrated car wash soap. It cleans your car and adds gloss enhancers to make the paint pop. A little goes a long way with this product. This cleaner works wonders on your car's interior. It's safe for almost all surfaces, from dashboards to leather. It cleans and protects, leaving your interior looking its best. Chemical Guys makes products for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a professional detailer, you can achieve great results. The products are easy to use and provide professional-grade cleaning. Chemical Guys is more than just a brand, it's a community. They share a passion for cars and a love for the road. Join the family and experience Chemical Guys lifestyle. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to get started with car detailing. It includes a wheel cleaner, car wash soap, and an interior cleaner. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit to get your car looking its best, this is the one to choose. What people say. This kit has everything you need to detail your vehicle professionally, and they all smell great too. The soap and gun work great, provides a thick layer of suds and I see the dirt running off my car before I wipe it with the glove. The foam blaster cannon worked excellently. I appreciate you can adjust the foaminess of your spray dial on the top, and the quick connect to the sprayer made setup and cleanup easy. Number 1. Armor All Premier Car Care Kit, 8-piece kit. This kit from Armor All has everything you need to keep your car looking its best. It includes a variety of products designed to clean and protect both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. With this kit, your car will have a showroom shine. The products work together to keep your vehicle's surfaces clean and protected, inside and out. The multi-purpose cleaner and protectant remove dirt and dust. Then, the air freshener helps eliminate odors, leaving the interior fresh and clean. The glass cleaner easily removes residue and grime from your windows. This ensures incredible clarity and shine, both inside and outside your car. The wash and wax gives your car a radiant shine. The wash pad helps lift away dirt and bugs from your car's exterior surfaces. The tire shine delivers a mirror-like shine. The wheel cleaner attacks grease and brake dust, keeping your tires looking their best. What we like. This kit offers a complete car care solution, covering both interior and exterior cleaning needs. It includes everything from wash and wax to tire shine and glass cleaner. If you want a convenient all-in-one kit to keep your car looking its best, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to detail a car. The wash mitt is very soft and doesn't scratch the paint. The wax is easy to apply and remove, leaving a great shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.